We're here to break records. I have been touted as the fastest chicken eater west of the Mississippi, maybe in the world. Last time I did this, I went sub 20. I think I could go sub 15. The method, you'll see it with hot dog eaters in particular. The water is almost a necessity because of the bun. But with chicken breast, you'll see that really you don't need it, but I use it, and I use a lot of it. The secret of my speed is the seasoning. Paprika, salt, pepper, oregano, lemon pepper. That's sub 15. That's sub 15.